Congratulations.
Thank you.
Hey, give God all glory.
So this engine that I'm seeing now is your new car.
We thank God for everything.
Car in capital letter or small letter.
This calls for celebration.
Enough celebration. Enough drink.
It calls for celebration.
That's why I'm here. Uncle, where's my father, my mother, my sister? I didn't see them. Where are they?
Your father left this compound very late this morning and oh, yeah, he is.
Papa?
We are here. I told you that Ozo will be happy. Ozo will be happy that another car is in this compound.
Yes, sir.
And we can just bought a new car. Ozo will be happy for this car.
Who cleared that land? I said, who cleared that land?
I did.
And why did you do it?
I don't understand. It is my piece of land.
Nayozo, why this sudden question? We have been cultivating on that piece of land.
Have I not told you to stop cultivating there?
Why would you tell me to stop cultivating on my land?
Hey.
Ozo, what is it? Eh?
You better stop cultivating on that land. And I will not warn you again.
It is not true. Very impossible. Omame. Ozo, Omame.
Papa, didn't you see me?
Oh.
Papa?
We
haven't even greeted.
We just see a new car. Eh? When we are supposed to celebrate a new car, he's talking about a piece of land.
Papa, it's okay. Let me handle this situation, okay? Let me find out what the problem is.
Okay.
I'll be back.
Okay.
I'll be back.
Okay.
Please, I'll
Please
be back.
do. Please do. Papa, what is the meaning of this?
Oh, wait, I can't say for sure. Eh? Oh, I don't know.
We must celebrate that car.
Oh.
That drink, we must drink it.
Why is your brother behaving like this?
I know he will bring money for us to buy him drink. Eh?
That man, he's a joy killer.
Oh, it's no problem.
I got one.
Let's go inside.
Today's own is very sweet. Today's service is too awesome. I just wish this man will always come to teach us more songs. Yes, I agree with you. But the truth is that I knew most of the songs that he taught us today. That is true.
Who taught you?
Wait, Ebube, you think I'm joking? I am serious. I knew most of the songs. Ebube, she's right. In fact, I believe her. Eh? Don't you know how gifted and talented she is? All of us, we know that. My angelic voice carries immeasurable anointing during service.
Don't boast with it, though.
I'm not boasting, Queen. I am not boasting. I am just acknowledging God's gift in my life.
That's
so.
Eh?
That is Look at me. I can sing very well. I can play piano very well. And at the same time, I can conduct choir perfectly.
Conductor, that's who you are.
In fact, in the whole parish, I am the #1, the champion.
I admire you, Zoma. I really do.
Ozi, wait. If you can sing, I too can sing very, very well. So don't boast with it.
No. She jealous.
No. Jealousy? You want us to compete? It's okay, one. This is we both have the same voice. Our voice is not final. You want us to compete? It's okay, one. So what of Mama and Ifoma?
They went to the market, so I'm waiting for them to return.
So Brode Minky,
Yeah.
you now have 2 cars. 2.
That's because I work very hard. Besides, I've decided to give my father the SUV parked over there. Yes.
That's good. You see this new one, brother? You'll be using it to take us to church. So you have to. Yeah, and you also teach me how to drive.
Don't mind how you teach how to drive. I know how to drive more than how.
What is your problem? Why are you dragging?
Okay, that's enough.
Am I not your elder sister? You teach me first.
Listen,
I know how to drive more than you.
I'll teach you, and I'll also teach you. The car is for everyone, okay? Papa, you're welcome.
Eminike,
Papa?
you told me that you gave my brother and the family a loaf of bread.
I did, yes.
So what is Ebube carrying?
I gave it to her. That's her share.
Papa, what are you doing?
You gave to her. Papa, you will eat and die.
Bread.
Papa, stop that! Papa, what do you mean? Don't worry, I'll get you. Okay? Papa! Papa, give me that.
You needed to be there. If you see the way he snatched that bread from Ebube. Papa, Imangota, it was terrible. Even his son Emenike was surprised.
You mean it?
Papa, I could not believe my eyes. If you see the way that man reacted just because of bread, ordinary bread.
Ordinary bread.
Hey! Papa. Hey.
Well, I am happy that his son was there when all this started.
Papa,
So, Badre,
Papa, I kept quiet because of his son, Eminike. If not, I would have given them a big trouble today. Big trouble.
oh, no, let him be. I'm sure Emenike will talk to him.
Eh? Papa, I say, which Emenike will talk to him? And you think he will listen to Emenike? Or Diego?
Honestly, you don't understand what I'm saying.
Tell him.
If you see this man's reaction today, just because of bread, you not sit down here and say this thing. At all.
And Papa, nothing will make you leave that land for that man. Never.
Otua.
I even thought he meant good to us.
Very wicked man.
Wicked man.
That's all for Obedi.
Okay.
Because of bread.
Papa, I thank God I did not receive hot slap from that man today. He just wanted to spoil our afternoon. Very wicked man.
Okay.
Papa, you're not understanding it. You don't understand.
Papa, be careful of that your brother. Be careful. He's a very dangerous man. Be very careful.
It's okay. I will not allow him to take my inheritance. Never. 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 I can not compromise.
Papa, I'm honestly very disappointed at you. Your behavior earlier today was totally unnecessary. I expected you to act mature. I expected you to be the bigger person and show some respect. But what was that all about?
Eminike, are you in any way blaming me for fighting for my own piece of land?
Oh.
I don't understand.
Nine. Please, can I say something?
Please go ahead.
Mama, there's nothing to say. You were not there. And come to think of it, Papa, since my early years, you or this family had no reason to fight our cousins over a piece of land. Why now?
That is the reason why you should have asked me. There are so many things you don't know.
Anyways, like I said before, I'm tired. I don't want any more trouble. Please.
Nine. I think you should explain to Eminike the history of that land so that he will understand.
I think so too.
Mama, I understand what my brother is trying to say. We've been living in peace in this family. I don't want to...
Shut up!
I know why I'm saying it. I know...
Are you still talking?
Please, just take it easy. I'll find a way to sort out this issue, please.
Go. See, whether my brother likes it or not, he must give me that piece of land.
Bagam.
I will not change my mind. And as long as he does not give me that piece of land, these problems will not abate.
Papa, I understand. But I believe there are other ways to handle this issue. What you did today was totally unnecessary. It was quite embarrassing. Taking back a loaf of bread I gave to people. What was that all about? It doesn't make sense.
Emaron there.
Hey! What are you doing here? What are you doing here? I should be asking you, what are you doing here, dude? Huh? Get out of this place at once. Never! You get out of this land! Emenike, warn your father to leave my piece of land.
You're a thief.
Me? Yes.
This piece of land belongs to my father. So get out.
It's not true. It is not true! You, Ozo, Okwebiago again. You! Look, you are trying my patience! It is you that is trying my patience, Ozo, and the whole world is aware of it! Uncle!
I'll warn you for the last time. This piece of land belongs to us. I've decided to build on it.
It's not true.
So get out before you get killed.
It's not true. Emenike, the truth of the matter is that this piece of land belongs to me. Yes! Get out of this place! Hey! Stop him! Kill him! Emenike, please don't give me up!
Papa Obiora, what is it? What is it?
It was a dream.
Dream?
Yes.
By this time of the day?
Hey, Emenike and Ozo wanted to kill me over my piece of land. Eh?
Wanted to kill you?
Yes.
With his son, Emenike? This is serious. Nai, please. To me, your life is more important than that piece of land.
Never! Nothing will make me leave my piece of land for them. Nothing. Hey, Ozo, you them now. Wait.
Nai, ebe kineje.
Come down, man, to my car. Hey,
Hey! When will this man believe in God? When will he believe in God? Nai, please, no automobile. No automobile. You go back. It's better for you to pray against it.
Emenike, thanks for the drink.
You're welcome.
Emenike, the reason I said we should meet, I'm tired of staying in this village. Please, help your brother. Please.
Obiora, I really want to help you. But the gospel truth is, business is bad. Things are hard now. But hopefully, let's see what happens.
Emenike, please. You can do something. Take me to the city where you are staying, and show me how to make it the way you did. Emenike, see, if I come to your place, I'm very little. I don't know. I know you can help me. By the way, it's not easy for a young man like you at this time to buy another car.
Obiora, you don't understand. Listen, it's not a situation of buying another car.
Okay.
What I am trying to explain to you is the country is bad. The economy of the country is crumbling. Things are very tight right now. So, but just exercise a little patience and let's see how it goes.
Hey, Eminike, you can do something. Eminike, you are saying the country is bad, the economy is bad, business is crumbling, and yet you bought another car worth millions. Eminike. Eminike, see, you are the only brother I have that I know that is progressing. Not that I'm not progressing in the village, but in the city, you progress more. I want to come there and progress. Eminike, please show me the way. Show me the way.
Look here, will my son die for you? Eh? Tell me, will he die for you? He has told you that things are hard. But you kept pressing on. Where are you pressing to?
Papa, who invited you here? What are you doing?
See, my son, I don't like what he's telling you. Eh? Where was he when you were struggling and suffering? Where was he?
Papa, I don't like this.
My son, it's for your own good. Obiora should go to the city or anywhere to go and hustle like you did. Make his own money. Then he can enjoy. He shouldn't come here and be a parasite.
Papa!
Uncle, more parasite. Uncle, now, tell me, is it an offense for me to ask my brother to help me?
Yes, read my lips. It is an offense.
Huh?
And for you, it is time to go back to the city.
Papa, you need to stop.
Eminike, I've been insulted, and I don't like it.
Obiora, listen, don't mind him. Just take it easy.
It's okay, I'll hide up to here.
Obiora, sit down.
Okay.
Obiora.
Go with it. Go
Let
with
him
it.
go.
See me through.
Go!
Don't worry, go with help me.
In fact, you even bought a start for him.
Papa,
Can you imagine? Guinness. No, I will drink this one.
Papa, what type of embarrassment is this?
My son, you will not understand. It is very deep. You will not.
What's going on? What's going on? What's really wrong?
Papa, you know you can't be doing this every time. I don't like this.
Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How are you?
Fine, thank you.
You are Ozoma, right?
Yes, but I don't know you.
Oh, yes, you're right. I'm a member of your church. You're a good chorister, I must confess.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You're heading home?
Yes.
Why not join me? Let me drop you off.
Oh, don't worry, sir. My house is just close by. Don't worry, I can trek.
Hey, Ozoma, I insist. Join me, let me drop you off, please, right?
Okay, if you insist.
Thank you.
I was very, very angry with myself this afternoon. Very angry with myself. You need to hear what came out from that man's mouth. The rubbish he was uttering out from his mouth.
But why?
I don't know.
How can that man tell his son not to help you?
Jobe, he said all those words without missing words. Not minding the fact that I was standing right there with him.
Obi, I'm beginning to suspect that man.
Okay.
All this, his behavior is giving me serious concern.
Ube, it is obvious that man is not happy with our progress.
Of course.
Yes.
This is serious.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. All right.
Thank you.
Take care of yourself.
Bye.
Bye. Hi.
Hi.
Hi. Bye. All right, back to your question. Back to your question.
Who was that?
Well, I will tell you all about him later. By the way, are you shocked?
I am very, very shocked.
Brother, what about you? Are you shocked?
Ma, shocked? No. Your uncle is shocked. Look at him there, viewing everything from that angle.
Who cares? Hey, does he have white Benz? He should go ahead and watch. Now let's go and cook.
Don't see me.
Jealous.
My dear.
Yes.
Mama.
No.
You need to seriously speak to Papa. I don't like his attitude towards Obiora and his entire family.
My son, your father has told me everything. He told me how Obiora came, asking you to take him to the city. Was Obiora supposed to tell you that?
Mama, what do you mean by that? Is Obiora not my cousin brother?
But Mama, there's nothing wrong with that.
Mama, don't even ask her to shut up. That's very wrong. I don't understand. What are we doing? Aren't we supposed to be family?
Emenike, all your father and I want is for you to be very careful. All that glitters is not gold.
Mama, if I understood you correctly, are you in any way trying to say I should start avoiding my cousins?
I didn't say that. That's not what I said at all. All I'm saying is that you should be very careful. Mama. And I know, you don't know what Obiora has in mind by asking you to take him to the city.
Mama?
Mama?
Honestly speaking, I'm very disappointed at you. I never expected this behavior from you or Papa.
So what? Now. You would have told me. You would have told me. I know. What's about this?
It's okay now. We've been singing and rehearsing inside since. And we came outside, you are still singing. Okay,
So how is that your business? Hey, my dear, you cannot change or cover the fact that I am the best. So if you don't praise me, allow me to praise myself.
We are all best in our own ways.
I see.
You are not the only one that is best.
I know how to sing. I can sing.
Hey, Ifozima is better than you. I'm better than you. Hey!
Hi.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How are you?
Fine, thank you.
It seems that you girls are done with the rehearsals, right?
Yes.
Oh, nice. Okay, see you on Sunday then.
Was this the around here?
Why did you ask
everywhere?
Why did you
Just
ask
following you like a bube. He worships here.
Where's the love we share as one family?
What's going on here? What are you doing? Asking you that question. What are you doing here?
You are treading on dangerous paths.
Ozo, get out of this land. It is obvious you are looking for my trouble. You are looking for my trouble, Ozo.
I am warning you. Stay out of this land.
I see. This piece of land belongs to me. And over my dead body, will I leave it for you? Yes!
Is that what you said?
I will say it 100 times and over again. Eh? Now, let me tell you one thing. If anything happens to me or any member of my family, you'll be held responsible. The way you are going, before you kill me,
We shall see.
Let us see. Get out of my land. I got one number mother. I got one number mother. Be able my elder brother. Pourquoi pas dans le matin? On bien droit comme moi. On bien droit comme moi. Nya quand tu penses à gojo. Na lo li tu bata na nam. Quand tu ba gojo ozo. Amamme. Mata kwa kwa mdatin. Makaga me kuko madu ka bro kwa ni brother. Ina ga kwa kina ga makamba manya droit ke mao. Mana o bien droit comme moi. Awa kwa nyanwa. Leave me alone, Ozo. Ozo, leave me alone. Igwe must hear this, you know. Igwe must hear it. And I'm telling Igwe, I will take action. I will not wait for Igwe to take action. I take action. I will take jaja. I take jaja. Jirana solum. Mother posona mi weo. Ozo. Ozo, enough. Ibonyala. Whoever that is living in this compound should come out. Anybody that is living in this compound and is hearing my voice should come out. Papa. Whoever that is living in this compound should come out. Why are you shouting? I said anybody that is living in this compound and that person is hearing my voice should come out here now. Papa. I said whoever that is living inside this compound and that person is alive, hearing my voice, let that person come out.
Uncle, what is it? What's the problem?
You are back.
Uncle, what is it? I heard your voice.
Is there anybody living in this compound and is hearing my voice? Let that person come out.
No. You're welcome. So you are back.
Uncle?
Where is your father?
I'll call him now. Papa? Papa?
What is it?
Your brother wants everyone here.
And so, I'm not everybody.
Come, Papa, let's hear him first.
Nai, what happened? Guinea Mel.
Everybody should listen. Listen clearly. If anything happens to me or my household, Oswald here should be held responsible. That is a declaration I want to make today.
Papa, why did you say that?
You see Oswald here? Oswald came to my farmland to threaten my life. Look at him standing there. That is why I said, if anything happens to me or my household,
Ozuo should be held responsible. That's the declaration I want to make henceforth.
You're a stupid man.
What is going on? What's going on? What's really wrong? What's going on? What's really wrong? What is really wrong?
Brother, honestly, I don't like Papa's attitude recently. How can he be dragging that piece of land with Papa Obiora?
I'm short of words. I'm completely confused myself.
Brother, you need to talk to him, seriously. I mean, let him stop all these things he's doing. He will create enmity between the family.
He doesn't listen. I've tried my best. I've spoken to him time and time again. He doesn't listen. And sometimes I feel like I should just go back to the city where I came from.
But I'll go with you. I can't stay in that house with all that drama. And the funniest part is Mama is even supporting him.
I don't know. It's just crazy. Please, show me the way, because I'm not familiar with this road.
But I won't get to that junction. It's a point.
Alright.
And why are you shouting my name like that?
Nicole, enough is enough for you and your household in this family. Enough is enough, oh!
And what is the meaning of this? What are you talking about?
You don't know what I'm talking about. I'm talking about what your husband said about my husband this afternoon.
What my husband said about your husband? Is that the reason you are shouting like a demented fool? Is that why you are shouting like someone that has just lost her sanity? Huh?
Don't worry. Warn your husband. Warn your husband to leave my husband alone, because if you do not, when I come here, you know what madness is all about. I will exhibit it before you and you will see it.
You have already called yourself a mad woman, which you are.
Listen.
I cannot come down to your level because you know two people cannot run mad. What can you do to me?
You don't know. Until then,
please
warn your husband. Warn your husband. This one is not talk is cheap, oh. It's talk-on-a-do. As I say it, I am doing it. In fact, as far as this compound is concerned, I'm going to make it so hot for you.
Oh my God.
Do not say I did not warn you. Warn your husband.
You cannot do it.
Warn your husband.
You cannot do more than a hanging towel.
Warn your husband, though. Warn your husband.
You cannot do more
warn
than a
your husband, Nkoli.
Mama, you cannot do
Mama,
anything.
you know.
Mama,
Tell your mom.
I'm not as mad as you are.
Don't worry now. I will show you.
Shouting and shouting.
I will show you how a mad woman behaves. I will show you how a mad woman behaves.
You are one. You are not even supposed to live here. You're supposed to live in the market.
Don't worry.
That is where
don't
mad
hold your
women
husband.
belong.
Don't want your husband. You will see what I will do to you.
Mama, what is it? What happened?
Just imagine. Just look at this stupid, useless, senseless, and worthless woman. She thinks she can come here to tell me to warn my own husband.
As in
I don't understand.
As how?
I don't understand.
Dina nwunye ano a ọ dị ka ha kwadoro ọfụma. Ha maro ka iwa si kwado. E gwaro ha.
Nkata ga-ekpudo ha. Na aghọta.
Ma, ka ipo.
She thinks she can drag us down to her level. Mama na ai karere fa.
Ndị ala ka fa bụ.
Let me catch you again in this house, you idiots. Don't know your mates. Nonsense. try me again in this house. Nonsense. Look, just look at small Amaka talking to me anyhow in this house. Is she mad? Am I her mate? What's that? Eh?
Kelechi. Mama, what is the problem with you and your sister again?
Mama, talk to Amaka. Amaka is taking too much in this house. She's taking too much in this house. Talk to her. I can't bear it anymore.
What happened?
I asked Amaka to wash the pot that I want to cook. She ignored me and was busy filing her nails. When I took the nail filer from her, she rained abuses, she started insulting me. For what?
And what did you do to her?
Mama, I slapped her.
Correct. Sure. I'm going to the office.
Mama, if Amaka does not wash that pot, if I cook, I will not give her anything in this house. I won't give her that food to eat. If I wash that pot, I will not give her food to eat in this house.
Kelechi, you don't need me to give you such permission. Do exactly what you have to do. Amaka is something else in this house. I'm going to the office. You people should do whatever you like.
Shall see. Amaka, in this house, taking too much from you. Small girl insulting me in this house.
What happened? I expected to see you yesterday.
No. I went to hustle for my life and to straighten up my life. So I went out for a day job to hustle for my life. Since your father convinced you not to help your own brother.
Obiora, why are you sounding like this?
Anyway, I'm not here for this. The reason I'm here is to tell you, help me beg your father and your mother in the name of the Father, the name of the Son, the name of the Holy Spirit, they should stay away from my family. Because this time, I am very, very dangerous. I will not take any nonsense. I can kill. See.
Obiora, you need to calm down. Stop sounding like a child. Stop it.
Emilike, tell to your parents. Tell them.
It hasn't gotten to this.
It has, it has. Since we can't help each other again in this family, beg your parents to stay away from my family, or else I will commit.
Talk to who? I'm joking. Talk to who? Who gave you the impetus to come to my house and be vomiting rubbish this morning?
Mama, listen to me. This conversation is between Obiora and I.
Okay.
Do not interfere.
Yes. I, your mother, should not interfere.
Mama, don't.
I will interfere. Emelike, I will interfere. Emelike, it's because of you. Nkoli and her children are messing up in this family. Who are they? Who are you people?
Who are we?
Yes.
Okay, yes. Very good. We are nobody, Mama. But avoid us to avoid an I know. Avoid us to avoid an I know.
Get out of my house.
Your house?
Get out.
This is our compound.
Get out
You
of
will
my
share
house.
front door there.
Get out of my
You will
house.
share fighting from
Get
here
out of my
to
house.
here. Nobody to pass nobody again. This one from anybody pass here to this side, I will kill somebody.
And if I pass your back,
I swear. Mama, go back. Emilike, you are saying
do
this.
your worst.
Emilike, you are saying this.
Do your worst.
Emilike, you are saying this.
I said do your
Mama, go back. Mama, you are my compound. Mama, you are my compound. Mama, don't pass here, Mama, go back. Go back, Mama. Mama, I said go back. Emilike, I will kill somebody. Emilike, I will kill somebody.
Look at him. Look at him. Empty drum making the loud noise.
Now I'm just Mama!
Oh, your mother.
Mama!
Let her come.
See,
Let your
because
mother
you are
come. I
woman.
will remove her.
Because you are Mama. I'm warning you.
I will let you.
All right, I know what to do.
Let her come.
I know what to do.
Let her come.
I know what to do.
Can't you see anything?
I will do everybody's command. I will see the
You can't do nothing.
You don't know me.
Oh, what did he get?
You don't know me.
Get away.
You don't know me.
Get out.
Very good.
Village champion. Village champion, yes. Village champion. Village champion.
You will see that color.
Yeah. People won't get
Are you people hearing that noise outside?
Noisy one. I was hearing the shout. It's true. Who is Emenike quarreling with?
I can only hear Mama Emenike's voice, so...
What is the problem this house? I will give to them. I will give to them. The problem they want this house, I will give to them. Listen, in this house, if it's what they want, I will give to them, Mama. I will give to them this house.
Now, what is the problem?
Imagine Emenike's mother. Who is she in this house, Mama? Tell me, who is she? Is it because it's the money they have and she feels that she's on top of the board?
What brought about this quarrel this early morning? What brought the quarrel?
Right now I'm first. Mama, I'm first right now, I'm first. I don't care who you they are in this family again. I don't care about anybody. Then you take out there or what? Mama, I don't care. I don't care anymore. I just don't care. Don't care.
Obiora, come. What is this now? Eh?
Hey.
Look at the way he's vibrating. My dear, what could be the problem?
I'm as surprised as you are. My dear, let's just finish this work and leave this place.
See, Usioma must be inside that car. This is the same car that brought her home some days ago. Who is this young man? Is he even going anywhere without? Eh?
You're welcome to my home.
The house is very beautiful.
Thank you. So, make yourself comfortable. Can I sit here if you want?
Thank you.
You're welcome. 1 minute, let me go upstairs. I'll be back soon. Okay? Sorry. What do you care for?
Oh, nothing. I'm fine.
Don't do that with me. Tell me, what do you care for?
Honestly, I am fine. I don't want anything.
Are you sure?
I'm sure.
Alright, make yourself comfortable. 1 minute, I'll be back soon, right?
Why did I follow him to his house? Just to pick something before taking me home. That's not like me. It's true he said he would marry me, but I don't even know how possible it is.
Love we share as one big family. Where is the harmony? Where is the harmony? Where's the peace of mind that used to reign? Where's the happiness?
Papa, you're here.
Yeah.
I was knocking at your door.
What is it?
Uncle Sir should call you. The visitors are here.
I have heard.
Okay, Papa.
Come.
Papa.
Did they come with a car?
Papa, he came with a very beautiful car. I'm happy for my sister. Let me tell him you're coming.
Roswell, now that we have finished eating kola nuts, let our visitors tell us why they are here.
Yes. Young man, tell us, what's your mission here?
Thank you so much. Well, first of all, I want to say a very thank you to you all for the cola nuts. Thank you. My name is Henry, and I'm here with my friend, Udoka. Both of us are from Eboagu village. So there is a very beautiful and pleasant jewel I saw in your house. I would want that jewel to be mine. Reason I came with this drink. To officially declare my interest.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Obiora.
Papa.
Please call your sister. Call her. Open Didi. Eje. Nsogbu adịrị ya. Ife oru n'ubi ome abụrụ ụsa.
Papa.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Is she the one?
Sure, she's the one.
I see. Ozema, you can go back.
Thank you, Uncle.
With this, we say we have accepted their drink.
Thank you.
There is tradition and there is tradition. You will go back to inform your kinsmen so that when we fix a date, they will come. And they will do the needful. You know? There is tradition and there is tradition.
Yes,
You're welcome.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. I appreciate it. I will do that, sir. Okay. God bless you all. Thank you.
So I know the girl. She's one of the choristers in the church.
The best among them.
Yes.
She has such an angelic voice.
Oh, I agree with you. She sings beautifully.
Oh, yeah.
And she's from a very good home.
Yes. So, congratulations to me.
Oh, yes. Congratulations. I'm so happy for you.
You are the next in line.
Well, you've opened the door, and I hope I find a good woman.
You have to search well. Open your eyes. Yeah. I've told this girl to stop calling my line. I don't know what's her problem.
Who?
Tina, of course.
Tina. I thought you sorted things out with her.
Yes. I told her that I don't want her anymore. It's over between us. I cannot settle with someone that has a dubious character. Not me.
Well, Henry, you need to be very careful with her. You need to be very careful.
Don't worry, I'm careful. Hey, it's over between us, Stop calling.
Forget about Tina. Just drink up.
Yes, to a good woman, to a beautiful one.
To a happy married life.
To my wife.
To your wife.
Take that again.
So, have you heard from Oziama's people since our last visit to the house 3 days ago?
Oh yes, everything is settled.
Are you serious? Wow!
Trust
Congratulations, man.
Thank you, bro.
So, the wedding begins then?
Oh yes, I'm looking at Easter period.
Easter, that's 2 months from now.
You're right.
Wow! Congratulations, man.
Thanks, bro. Let me see you.
What is she doing here?
Leave that. What are you doing in my house?
Is it not obvious I came to see you?
Came to see me?
Of course.
Haven't I told you that you're not welcomed in this house? It's over between us.
Henry, do you really think I am a toy you can mess around with? Huh? Oh yes, I heard about the girl you went to visit their parents 3 days ago.
I must say you're playing with fire.
Tina, I am not in the mood for this right now. Did you hear what I said? We are going out. Please leave my house before I lose.
Oh, shut up! Shut up! Shut it! You cannot do anything. Or you think I'll fold my arms and watch you break my heart just like that? When you were busy screwing me, morning, afternoon, and evening, didn't you know? Huh? Break up my foot.
Go and meet your numerous boyfriends. These your stupid talks won't work on me. You know, if you're not working, did you hear what I said? Huh? Thank God your pranks did not work on me. I discovered it early enough.
You will regret ever knowing me. And read my lips. I will never stay alive and watch you marry another woman. Nonsense.
Out!
What is the meaning of this?
Just forget it.
You need to be very careful with that girl. I smell danger.
I go forget that idiot. No more danger. Nothing they happen. Let's go. Leave that idiot. Eh? What is in me is greater than what is in her. She will do nothing.
I hope you're right then.
I'm right, I go. Hey, you may boo boo. Where if I go kai punu now. Hapo ya ala.
Mama Ozioma. Mama Ozioma. Mama.
What's the problem? I guess something must have happened.
Mama, please come. Come first, Mama. Mama, come.
How can that happen to her right inside the church?
Is there not a clear evidence that the fire that they keep singing is now burning the church? Fake people, fake pastor, fake church members. Don't worry. It is all these things that you people are doing, calling the name of God in vain. That God is, in fact, God has already started the judgment in his church. Nonsense. Amadioha will continue to put fire in the altars. Ogugu will continue to fight for me. Come, in fact, I am yet to see. I am yet to see. Eh? Hey. Oh, Nime church, inside the church. So, let me confirm it to be true. Massive friend, I want.
Leave me. I don't do it. Just Mama, I don't know. What happened to yourself? I don't know. What's the one?
Just calm down, okay? Just calm down. Calm down.
What did this to me?
Yes, father. What are you trying to say?
Ozoma has gone mad. She has gone mad.
What do you mean Ozoma has gone mad?
Yes, she has gone mad. Ozoma is raving mad. She's just... Which Ozioma are you talking about?
Mama, our own very Ozioma.
What happened to her?
Papa Ozioma has gone mad. She ran out from the church and they are searching for her everywhere.
Wait, did you say this? She ran out of church?
Yes, brother, and they are searching for her.
Ifoma, get into the car.
Yes, brother.
Papa, what are you doing
You
here?
are going nowhere.
What?
I say you are going nowhere. Do you know the cause of the madness?
Oh.
Papa, listen to me. I don't have to know the cause of her madness before I render help. Her life is in danger and we need to do something fast. Papa, excuse me.
I say you are going nowhere and it is final.
Papa, you're supposed to be that girl's father. Don't do this.
Yes, Papa.
Ebenike,
Mama.
what is your concern in this matter?
Mama.
Kanagi.
Tell us.
Mama, did you just ask that question?
Answer.
Ozioma is my cousin's sister.
Yes, Mama.
Yes.
Yes, Mama. She's our sister, so we need to go and look for her. Papa, come out. Let's go and look.
It's madness, oh. It's madness, oh.
Papa, wait now. Let us go.
I say you are going nowhere.
Papa, you're in my way.
Papa, don't worry, be in Nigeria.
I say you are.
Papa, this is not right.
Whether it is right or wrong.
Papa, this is not right.
You are not going anywhere.
Papa, I don't expect this from you.
And I say
Henry! Henry! Henry!
What is it? Udoka, what is it?
Henry, we have a problem.
You have been saying we have a problem, we have a problem. What is the problem?
It's about the girl!
Oh, let me tell you something. If it's about Tina, I am not interested in that story. Did you hear what I said?
Oh, come on. I'm not talking about Tina. It's about your ma. Yes.
Calm down, please. What happened to Ozioma? Eh? Oh, she's angry I did not attend today's service, right? What happened to her?
Not that. Henry, Ozioma has gone mad. She's raving mad! Yes!
Udoka, are you joking or not?
This is not a joke. This is not a joke. During the deliverance session, she just started exhibiting signs of madness. And she ran out of the church. This is not a joke.
Calm down. Where is she now? Eh? Where is she? Where can I find her? Eh?
As I speak to you now, our church members are currently searching for her.
Hold on. Where is my car key? What are you doing in my house?
Is it not obvious I came to see you?
Came to see me?
Of course.
Haven't I told you that you're not welcomed in this house? It's over between us.
Henry, do you really think I am a toy you can mess around with? Huh? Oh yes, I heard about the girl you went to visit their parents 3 days ago. I must say you're playing with fire.
Tina, I am not in the mood for this right now. Did you hear what I said? We are going out. Please leave my house before I lose.
Oh, shut up! Shut up, Henry. Shut it! You cannot do anything. Oh, you think I'll fold my arms and watch you break my heart just like that? When you were busy screwing me morning, afternoon, and evening, didn't you know? Huh? Break up my foot.
Go and meet your numerous boyfriends. These your stupid talks won't work on me. You know, even Nawage, did you hear what I said? Huh? Thank God your pranks did not work on me. I discovered it early enough.
You will regret ever knowing me. And read my lips. I will never stay alive and watch you marry another woman. Nonsense.
Out!